Ekabo everyone, welcome to Learn Yoruba with me, episode 13, Time. I've had a sore throat for the past week or so and I had to prioritize, but I am back and ready to go. So a clock or a wristwatch in Yoruba is ago, ago, ago. So kilago we in Yoruba is what is the time? Ki is short for kini, which is what? Ago is time, and we is say. So more vocab words. Isheju is minute, and wakati is hour. Now we have abo, which is half or half past. If you wanted to say maybe 2:30, half past. Then we have ku, to the hour or less than the hour. And koja, which is past or after the hour. Let's practice. It's 2:30, 2:30. We say ago clock, meji 2, abo, half past. Then if you also wanted to say another one is it's 1 o'clock. Ago kan is 1. I'm so glad to be back. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, set alarm, and comment below. Keep practicing and odabo.